Hello, my name is Diana Williams. I live in a sheltered complex, one belonging to Tai Ceredigion in Aberaeron, and I live with my husband. I'm a carer for him. I was diagnosed about 11 years ago with macular disease, and I'm a speaker on behalf of the society. I go and give talks and I give people little tips and bits of information on everyday living if they have any sight problems at all. We had a new bathroom installed and it was lovely. We were really pleased with it. It was an excellent job and we needed it desperately and we were very grateful for it being done. But there was one problem we had, was that the 4 cords that hang down from the ceiling, you know, for the light and the shower, things like that, were all the same colour. They were all magnolia. On top of that, all the walls were magnolia as well. So it was very difficult. I did ask when they were put in if I could have different coloured ones, contrasting. And they said all they had was magnolia. So I went out to a craft shop and bought some. And I bought different colour ones and some little decorations. So each one is a little bit different, so I know exactly what's where and when to use it. I have brought with me a selection of different colour cords. And for people who don't have any sight problems, the magnolia can still be difficult to see against the magnolia wall, so I don't know how they expect anybody to see it who has got problems. But there is a vast selection and I've put little bits and pieces on them so you can see. But I don't think it would cost any more because you have to have the cord in the first place, so why not have a selection of colours and let people choose what they want for their daily use and what's better for them. Everybody's eyesight is different. Somebody might be colourblind or they might have something entirely different. And each colour can look quite different to a different person. So if they're given a choice of their own, and they can select for themselves what cord they want, what colour, and it can be put in place. So that's my idea.